Today I'm working on a 2012 Audi A8. Customer's complaint is the display doesn't work here, this MMI screen. Scan for faults, did a full system scan. The only faults stored were no communication with display screen itself. So first thing to check is the wires that run to the display. These two wires right here, these small ones, they commonly break because they're flexing so often when the screen flips up and flips down every time you start the car. And these wires are very small and they get kind of pinched and they just work back and forth until they break off. Pretty common problem with these. This one had a few other issues too with the mechanism and stuff like that, but those two wires will cause the display just not to light up. It'll still flip like it should and everything. It'll just be black. So to get to it, you have to pull all this trim off right here. It's not very difficult. It's just they bite pretty hard. So use some good trim tools and just be careful and keep working at it until this all pops apart, and then you can get to the two screws here and here that hold this whole display in, and that's it. So hope this helps somebody trying to figure this out. Thanks.